Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y21 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can do screen mirroring in Vivo Y21 with any Android TV. First of all, go to the settings in your phone and click on other networks and connection and click on personal hotspot and turn on the button against the personal hotspot. And here you can select data limit, click on hotspot configuration and select security to open and click on network ID, and here you can change the name of the device. Click on done. Now go to your TV, and select settings there. Go to settings of your TV. Here I have used MI 4A Pro TV and click on additional settings. Click on network and internet, turn on Wi-Fi and click on the signal you received from your phone. Yes, your phone is now connected to your TV. Your phone is connected to your TV through hotspot. Now come to your phone and go to Google Play Store. Go to Google Play Store and search with the term Google Home. Google Home. And click on install this app. After installing, open this Google Home app and click on get started. Click OK. Click next. Give all permissions. Click activate, but it will ask you to turn on Wi-Fi. Don't do it. Just go to the home screen and again open Google Home app. And you will find the signal from your TV. Just click it and click on cast my screen here and click on cast screen. Click on start now and your phone screen will be mirrored to TV. Yes, it has been mirrored. So what I see in my mobile, that is also seen in TV. Whatever I go in my mobile screen, that will also be mirrored in TV. In this way, you can easily do screen mirroring. That's all, friends. Bye.